In this video, we're talking about the Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Like I said, we are unboxing this thing, but it doesn't just come in this small package. I actually have again with me the media kit for the Mi 10T Lite. Can you guess what's inside? If you've seen my Mi 10T Pro video, you probably have an idea. If you haven't, keep watching. Well, actually, even if you have, keep watching. This is gonna be a cool phone. Why? Well, first off, the Mi 10T Lite is the very first phone to be powered by the Snapdragon 750G chip. It also comes in this very pretty rose gold beige color, although I don't think I was able to get that cute color. Nonetheless, I'm pretty curious to try out this phone, so let's get to the unboxing. Right, I know that this does not look like your typical smartphone box, but this I think is the media testing kit box thing from Xiaomi. As you can see, some really nice details here. It says Mi 10T series and the Mi logo. It is a big box, so I'm thinking it's not just a phone. Let's see what's inside. We have some drawers and a few interesting outlines. Let's look at the top drawer first. Ooh. Looks like a box of chocolates. That's cute. Oh, those are really cute. So we have some awesome enamel pins here. Mi 10T Pro, 144Hz adaptive sync display. This says Cyberpunk. This one says Mi 10T series, power your creativity. That's cute. Right, let's look at the other one. Really cute Mi ribbon. Oh, that is a cute Xiaomi tote, so you can put your pins on here, and that's gonna be really cute. And finally, the Mi 10T Lite. So we've seen a lot of unboxings of the Mi 10T Pro, and I will have my own unboxing of the Mi 10T Pro soon, but I wanted to start with this because this is pretty exciting for me. This phone sports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G, and it's the first phone to have that chip. It's the only phone, if I'm not mistaken, to have that chip out right now. So typical box, Mi 10T Lite 5G, Mi 10T Lite on the sides, nothing on the back. Let's unbox. Let's open this up. Ooh, designed by Xiaomi. That looks very nice, very simple. Makes a statement. Here we have SIM tool. Of course, a jelly case, and this one is sort of frosted. We see the unique camera module. We have the phone, but we are taking that and keeping it aside because we want to see what else is in the box. We have the power cord, that is a USB-C and a very unique orange. And finally, we have the power brick with the same unique orange detail. So I have the phone right here. Ooh, that looks nice. It does look nice for a black phone. I like the way the light shines on it. Now, this does have that beautiful rose gold beige color, which I wanted so bad, but I couldn't find a way to get it. So this will do in the meantime. I mean, I can honestly just imagine this thing in that color, and oh my gosh, I want it even more. This actually has a good weight on it. Like, it's not a light phone. It's definitely not a light phone. So we can see that circle. Well, it's not really a circle, is it? That's like a circle and then another. I don't know what you call that shape, but it's a very unique camera bump shape. And because of the light, I sort of thought that the back was slanting into the module, but this is flat. And then you have a little indentation, a tiny little stage there, and then another step up, you have the camera module. So that back though actually has something written on it. It says built for 5G at the bottom, and up top there it says premium AI camera. On the side there's also a flash. On the right side of the phone, you have volume rockers, a power button, and that is a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, we have speakers, USB-C port, and an audio jack. On the other side is a SIM tray. Let's check. And that is a dual SIM setup, and one can be turned into a micro SD slot. Up top is pretty clean, and knowing that this is a Xiaomi phone, that's probably an IR blaster. Let's see. Turning this on because now it's time for a montage. Features that I like that you mostly really only see on Xiaomi phones these days is that there is an IR blaster on this thing, so you can use it to power appliances that come with remotes. And also, before we move on, can I just talk about really quickly how nice this matte jelly case looks on this phone? Yeah, okay, on to the camera tour. Right, here we go folks, camera tour time. That was unlock button, and this is MIUI 12 on the Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite. Let's go to the cameras. So this is the photo mode. You have a wide 1x, 2x, and can zoom up until that's 10x. Yeah, 10x. Like my eyeliner. So up here you have flash settings, you have HDR settings, let's put that at auto, AI camera. Ooh, see, it turned into a person. Then you have the different filters, and finally that's Google Lens. Let's move on to portrait. So these are the blur settings. If you can see here, that is the blurriest it can get. Now, as you can see behind the camera, if you look at that blanket, it is blurred out now. And then this is the most non-blurry setting. On to more, you have a night mode with wide 1x, 2x up until 10x. You have a 64 megapixel shooter because the main camera on this thing on the back is a 64 megapixel camera. Uses pixel binning though to shoot smaller but better photos. My favorite Xiaomi mode, this is the short video mode. So you have wide 1x and 2x up until 6x here. Now this mode is built specifically for social media. If you tap the short video, it allows you to shoot 15-second clips, and pressing here will automatically allow you to share to your social media account. So if you do sign in and download the accounts, this is where it's supposed to come out. And well, also on the short video mode, you have different speed settings. You have the option to do like background music, so these are preset ones, and you have beauty filters, you have the different filters, and my favorite mode, the kaleidoscope mode. It's pretty cool. Up here it shows you that on this mode it can shoot up until 1080p. You also have a panorama mode, a document scanner, my favorite Xiaomi feature. Okay, I know I've said favorite a lot, but there are a lot of Xiaomi features when it comes to photo and video taking that I love. Like, I'm not sure if I've said this before, but Xiaomi phones have the most number of like all these useful little features. One of them is vlog mode, which allows you to pick out different templates, and then it helps you shoot your vlogs. Like, it sort of directs you, tells you what to do. All you need to do is point and shoot your camera, and this will edit the video for you. And then you have slow-mo mode, and let's look at the settings. So under settings, you can do 960 fps, 240 or 120, and you can do 1080p or 720, although why isn't it? Oh, there. Okay, 1080 is only 120 fps.
You also have a time-lapse mode. Ooh, under time-lapse, you can do 720 FPS, 1080p, 4K 30, and the movie frame mode, which is a very nice, very dramatic, like portrait mode with those movie bars. You have this front and back feature, and you can switch. What's this? Ooh, picture-in-picture as well. You have a long exposure mode, and yeah, light trails, that's basically long exposure mode. This is pretty cool, something you can try if you're into like this type of photography. And then what's this? Clone mode. Again, I love this, it's so cute. I have samples of this on my Poco X3 NFC video where I saw this feature for the first time. Really cute. And you can edit the camera menu. Right, let's move on to the other side, but first let's stop by like portrait first, because I did not check all the settings under portrait mode. So you have size settings, you have timer settings, movie frame mode, again one of my favorite modes. On photo, different size settings, timer. Oh, there's a movie frame mode on normal photo, and there's also a super macro mode hidden under settings here. Now, let's move on to video. Right. Okay, let's adjust this so I'm in frame and not my wall. Right, so here we have wide, 1x, 2x, up until 6x. And then you have flash settings. You also have different filters on video. There's a beautify mode, and this shoots in up until 4K 30. There's a movie frame mode on video. There's a super macro mode. What's this? Ooh, that gives you beauty filters and normal filters. And then under pro mode, again, very detailed. If you are a photographer, this is something that you would appreciate on a phone because it gives you all the different settings. And there's a movie pro mode as well, and you can use the different lenses. It shows you those settings here. So you have the wide, the ultra wide, the macro. Yeah, let's move on to selfies. Selfie video. Okay, how you like my eyeliner? Up here you have the different filters, so beautify, and then the different color filters. Under settings, it shows us that you can shoot up until 1080p, and there's a movie frame mode on selfie video. On photos, you have even more detailed beauty modes, except again, I would caution against using this too much. Use this just like makeup to enhance the real you. Okay, so different filters. You have flash settings, you have HDR settings, you have AI. Ooh, again, my favorite, palm shutter. Yes, that is how you take remote selfies. And then portrait mode, as you can see, background is now blurred. You have the different blur settings from that's an aperture of 1 to an aperture of 16, which isn't really as blurred as is obvious. You have AI, you have flash settings, and of course you have the size, timer, palm shutter, and movie frame mode. Under more, this is something we've checked out a little earlier. So now it's time for some sample shots.
And that, folks, was our first look, our unboxing, and a quick camera tour, plus some sample shots of the Mi 10T Lite. Still sad that I didn't get to check out that rose gold beach version, although this phone, though I'm not the biggest fan of black and plain phones, Still looks good because it's shiny and the light bounces off of it nicely. Considering that this is supposed to be the light device of the Mi 10T line, looking promising. Right, that's it for today. Let me know what your questions are about this phone. Let me know if a vlog test or a camera test is a video you'd like to watch. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at @isadoes_. That's Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. That's it for today, you guys. See you next time.